Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. Today is Friendship Friday and I just want to showcase the 3 packages that I received in the, well, this one actually is from around my birthday from last month. Sorry I have not gotten to these in a while, over a month, but I've just been busy. So let's get to these right now, okay? So first I'm going to do Adele R from Texas. And Adele sent me a nice note. I love reading the notes. She's sending me 2 granny squares. Hope I like them and use them. Of course I do, hon. I like whatever you will send me. She says it's just her appreciation for all of my generosity. She also sent a bookmark and extra bookmark and styles for my hobby. Thank you so much. Hugs from San Angelo, Texas, Adele. Adele, thank you so much, hun. I do pre-open these, but I don't look at the square so I can be surprised. So genuine reaction here. This is a bookmark. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. I love pens. Adele, thank you so much. I have a pen problem and I'm not ashamed to admit it. She sent me these. I love these cute hearts. They're so cute. And a nice cross. And a little, I think this is like a pen topper. Adele, let me know what that is. She also sent me pens. This is really nice. Wow. And that one looks really nice too. A bookmark. 2. Oh, I love those buttons. The buttons say handmade with love. That's really sweet. Thank you, Adele. Let's see what's in here. I'm gonna grab this one. Oh, no way! Oh, my daughter's gonna love this. This is the Pokemon ball. Oh, thank you so much, Adele. That's so awesome. I have goosebumps. Wow! I love that. And you guys, I love these chain markers. Thank you so much. That is so cool. Adele, if you could please send me a link to where you got that from. My daughter and I too are really into Pokemon. I love it. That is so awesome. Thank you so much. There's another, oh, I think that was just from the, there's another one in here, and this is, it looks like, that is so cool. Is it an Oreo? It looks like an Oreo. Look at how cool that is. Adele, thank you so much, hun. Thank you. Those are really awesome. Thank you for everything. That is really cool. I love pens too, so thank you. I have a ton of pens. That's really awesome, hun. Thank you so much. That's really cool. So next we're gonna do Cynthia K from Indiana. Cynthia wrote me a nice letter. She said, here are a couple of squares for your blanket. I love your channel and your enthusiasm. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Cynthia. You are so awesome. Ooh, look at that. Cynthia, I actually have, whoa. Wow, that is so cool. I have a shirt that matches this almost exactly. It's a tie-dye shirt I got in San Francisco way back when. Wow. What kind of yarn is this? That is so cool. Cynthia, if you're watching this, please let me know. I love this. It kind of matches the shirt I'm wearing. Wow, that is so cool. Sorry. I know that drives some of you guys nuts. I have it on the wrong side. Cynthia, thank you so much. These are awesome. So I figured out the way how I'm doing my blanket. I'm doing it in groups of 3 with the same colors. And then I will arrange it going from there. So that's how I'm doing my blanket. It's going to take a while because I have all these other projects going on, but I'm super excited. Look at how cool this is. That is so awesome. Thank you so much, Cynthia. That's really cool. So this one is from Maria H. Maria sent me a really nice card. Thank you so much, Maria. She said that this is not a square, this is a rectangle. She wanted to make something that would showcase me. So she says she hopes it looks like a Hollywood or cinematic sign with old-fashioned light bulbs flashing around. Wow, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Maria. You are so sweet. She said she adores me and hopes I continue with my channel. I am definitely continuing with my channel. I loved how you packaged this, Maria, too. Wow. You guys, I'm trying not to cry. I always end up crying though. Oh, this is gigantic. Oh, this is so... What are you talking about, Maria? Are you kidding me? You guys, look at this. Oh my God, I'm going to start crying. It says Dazola Designs. Maria, thank you so much. And oh my God, you are so awesome. Thank you so much. Look at this. This is crazy. I need to frame this and put it up right here in my yarn room. Thank you so much, Maria. Wow. I mean, this is, I don't even know what to say, but thank you. Thank you so much. You guys, this is going to be like my new banner. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Thank you so much, Adele. You guys are so awesome. Oh my God. Look at how awesome this is. I don't even know what to say, but thank you all so much. You guys, wow. Look at how gorgeous this is. And when I put out the granny squares, I've been putting them together, and it's like every one that I do, I think about you guys. And I mean, what an honor just to have you watching my channel. So thank you so much. I'm going to start crying. If anyone is interested in sending me granny squares, obviously it doesn't have to be, it could be whatever you like to send me. I will put my address down below. I am making probably 2 or 3 friendship blankets. I was going to do wearables, but I think blankets would be better because they keep longer. Thank you to everyone watching. Thank you to everyone who has sent me a square. You guys are literally the best. Look at that. I'm going to start every video with this. That is crazy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Again, I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and staying healthy. Get vaccinated, please. Thank you, guys. Just thank you, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Bye.